because I'm giving you my love for free. Are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night to hear love guns. No, you won't see.
Hey loves, welcome back for another video. So today I have some ultimate cleaning motivation for you, and we are going to get right into this video. So if you are ready for this motivation, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you have not already, make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get right into the cleaning. And right now you'll see me sorting out all of the laundry before I start this day of cleaning. I like to go ahead and sort it out because sometimes we just throw it into these hampers, and I need to sort it all so that it makes the washing day go much smoother.
Come on, come on. You tell me that I made you think if we had something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own.
So the very first load will be my kids' clothing. I usually don't mix and wash their clothes together, but today I did, and I'm just using this all free and clear detergent because they both have eczema. And I'm also just using some fabric softener and laundry sanitizer to get it started.
Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air.
Now we're going to tidy up the living room, and you see I have Sydney here helping me to make everything go quicker. I didn't even realize she was cleaning up until I looked around and I'm like, oh, my baby is cleaning up. She's helping me. So she was my little helper for today, and we got the living room all tidied up.
Come on, come on. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair, Timmy singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair, Timmy singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, baby.
Don't talk about me too bad, because yes, I am sweeping the rug because there is something janky going on with my vacuum cleaner right now, and I'm not about to throw my shoulder out of place trying to vacuum, so I just pulled out the broom to get up the little crumbs that were there.
We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night. Lines are fading out, and we're dancing in the park. Nothing's wrong with when I start, 'cause you look better in the dark.
You guys, I actually did decide to decorate for fall, but my fall decor is lost in transit somewhere out there. I have no idea if it will get delivered. I don't even know that I will try to reorder it. I was super excited, and my kids were excited to see the fall decor, but there has been a delay, so I will keep you guys posted on if I'm still gonna decorate or not.
Oh, my body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on.
Now that the living room is tidy, my kids are going to help me put these clothes in the dryer. They were the cutest little helpers. They really wanted to help me clean, and I welcomed it because this day I was not motivated to clean, but seeing my kids so eager to help me really pushed me to keep going and get it all done.
Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. For you I'm just just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind to move on. Oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Oh, I don't wanna be running from you.
Now we're moving on to the kitchen. This was after dinner, and I'm just gonna clear off the table and go ahead and get it cleaned off. There was crumbs everywhere and mess, you know, but your girl got it all cleaned up, and then I'm gonna move on and clean the kitchen.
'Cause I will find the way on my own. 'Cause I am out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. I don't wanna be for you. I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind to move on. Oh, 'cause I will find the way on my own.
If this is your very first time visiting my channel today, hi and welcome. My name is Sean, and over here on my channel you'll find so much cleaning motivation. So if that is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my family here on YouTube. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here so we can get to know each other. And to all my loyal returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back for another video. It does not go unnoticed. I truly love and appreciate you all so much.
Devil on your shoulder, strung you up on a thread, but I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that.
I truly cannot stand how cluttered these kitchen counters get. It drives me insane, and I really did want to organize my cleaning products because I have become a product hoarder, okay, and I need to declutter some, but I will be doing it in a future video. There will be a lot of decluttering coming up soon, so stay tuned for all of that.
Every beginning's gonna end up the same. Spare me your thoughts and get out of my way. Baby, 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 baby. Even though your mama told you be the best that you can, she never warned you for the monsters dancing in your head. The devil on your shoulder, strung you up on a thread, but I don't need to tell you. Hey, don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. It's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, hey. Don't you look at me like that. Hey, like you're feeling sorry. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. 'Cause you're not feeling sorry. Hey, hey. Don't you look at me like that when you break my heart like that, like you're feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Don't you look at me like that, walking out the door like that. You're not feeling sorry. It's your own fault. Now toss the salt. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Oh, devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Devil on, it's a devil on your shoulder. Shoulder, hey.
Break my heart if you want to. Well, I really don't mind. That's how much I want you. Yeah, yeah. I know it's only been 3 weeks and you're a little insecure, but
microwave was due for a cleaning. It was not really bad, but I took this Force of Nature cleaner and sprayed and just cleaned it out. Normally, if it gets really bad, I will use some vinegar and water in a bowl and heat it up for 5 minutes, but I didn't have anything in there that was stuck on there that needed a deep cleaning, so this is just a general everyday type of clean.
Spending every night with you. That's all I want, babe. Oh, and if I ever make a mistake, I promise you that I'll change. I'll do anything for you. I promise that I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets. Won't play with your heart. Yeah. Baby, I'm down if you're down. Just say the words, and I'll be yours forever. Yeah, yeah, forever. Yeah, I'll be yours forever. Yeah, yeah, forever. Yeah, I promise that I love you and never let you go. When you're feeling down, I'll always hold you close. Won't keep any secrets. Won't play with you.
And on today's episode of things that were not on my list to do, but I had to do it anyway, were these cabinets, okay? They are white, they tell all, and I had to wipe them down.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for.
Now it's time to take those clothes out of the dryer and get them all folded up. And then I'm going to tidy up my son's room. And you guys, if you've been watching for a while, you know that my son is very, very clean. And he knew I was filming a video, but his room was already spotless. I had walked through there earlier and there was stuff all over the floor because they were playing. And then when I walked back through, it was completely spotless. This boy cleans, okay? And I'm so proud.
Hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, you tell me that I made you.
Now I'm going to give you a little folding motivation because you guys know I really do enjoy folding clothes and doing laundry. So here is a little bit of that motivation for you.
See that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, baby.
Alright loves, if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you for watching these videos until the very end. I hope you get some motivation from it to take with you and tackle some things around your home today. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you've enjoyed. It really does help my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you are enjoying my content. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Someone like you. We're running out of